The depth and complexity framework includes the depth and complexity icons. These icons should be used as verbs and applied to your content as lenses of learning to focus students' experiences and prompt critical thinking. The language of the discipline icon invites learners to use and analyze the content vocabulary, terminology, or lexicon like an expert. When students use language of the discipline as the lens of learning, they consider the vocabulary necessary to understand the topic. Some curricular examples are: analyze the author's use and purpose of figurative language, examine primary and secondary sources and summarize using the language of the historian, reframe the information given by a graph using a mathematical terminology, evaluate the tools or instruments a geologist would use to measure a seismic event. Some possible question stems are: thinking like a disciplinarian, what words would a mathematician use to classify metric measurements? In what way would a linguist elaborate on how the terminology of dialects best communicates? How would a meteorologist articulate the causes and effects of hurricanes? An example task statement for language of the discipline would be: students will categorize the language of the discipline a mathematician would use when explaining place value, using a labeled diagram, and share their findings with a picture dictionary.